Want to turn your 2D designs into photorealistic 3D mockups and brand visualizations? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the official version of Adobe Dimension for free on both PC and Mac. We will use the official Adobe method to ensure you get the high-performance version required for 3D rendering. To get you started right away, I've posted the direct link to the official download page at the top of the description below. Go ahead and click that link now, and let's jump in. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken directly to the Adobe Dimension page. Look for the free trial button. It's usually located in the top menu or on the main banner. Click on that. You'll see the plan options. Adobe Dimension is typically included in the Creative Cloud All Apps plan, which gives you the best trial experience for 3D workflows. Select that option and click Continue. Next, you'll need to create a secure Adobe ID or sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. A quick heads up. Adobe does require a payment method to verify the trial, but you will not be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. This is standard to access the full 3D engine. After you sign up, the Creative Cloud installer will automatically download. Run that file and follow the prompts to install the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is the hub where you'll manage your 3D tools. Once the app launches, scroll down to the 3D and AR category, or search for Dimension in the list. Click the Install button next to it. When the installation finishes, click Open. You now have the full official version of Adobe Dimension installed and ready to render your designs. If this guide helped you get set up for 3D design, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget, the secure link to the official download is waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching.